Forget everything you thought you knew about smartphones, because Xiaomi is about to rewrite the rules. The Xiaomi 16 isn't just a device, it's a declaration, a bold leap into the future. And this time, it's not just about specs, it's about redefining the relationship between human and machine. Let's start with the design. Leaked renders show a sleek OLED display between 6.23 and 6.36 inches with a centered punch-hole camera. But this isn't just a selfie lens. It's a dynamic notification hub, inspired by Apple's Dynamic Island, but reimagined by Xiaomi with a horizontal pill-shaped animation that responds to your touch, your voice, your moment. And under the hood, a monster. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, built on cutting-edge 3nm architecture. Paired with a 6,800 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging, this phone doesn't just survive your day, it powers through it. Then comes the real game changer, HyperOS 3, Xiaomi's most ambitious UI overhaul yet. It's not just a new look, it's a new language. A liquid glass interface, smart island notifications, seamless transitions. Every swipe, every tap feels like silk. And at the heart of it all, Xiaomi 7.0. The AI assistant that doesn't just respond, it anticipates. It understands context, emotion, and even multitasking across devices. Your phone, tablet, smart home, they're no longer separate tools. They're one intelligent ecosystem. The Xiaomi 16 series will launch in 4 variants: Standard, Pro, Pro Mini, and Ultra. Expect triple 50-megapixel rear cameras with Leica optics. And the front camera? A stunning 50-megapixel sensor with autofocus and 4K 60 recording. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting cinematic reels, this phone is built for creators. And yes, it's coming fast. September 2025 in China, followed by India, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Xiaomi isn't chasing trends, it's setting them. So here's the question, are you ready? Ready for a phone that doesn't just keep up, but leads the way? The Xiaomi 16 isn't just another flagship. It's the beginning of something bigger, something smarter, something revolutionary.